The Surgeon General has put out a report that loneliness is now considered an epidemic and is almost deadly as smoking. When I saw this report, it affected me. One of the things that I really take pride in and try to work on is building a tribe for other singles. And I had just did a segment on Fox News about how to combat loneliness during the holidays. I want to share 3 tips that I often share with my clients. Now's the time to get out there with all the festivities and all the activities to really try to connect with people. Your life will change when you have a group of single people that you can just kind of camaraderie with and just have fun with. The second thing is to make sure that every time you're going out and about that you are just talking to people. Even just having that social connection and building the social muscle is going to help combat that feeling of isolation. And number 3, you have got to get out of the house in order to have that sense of connection with people. I have a new program called Kimmy's Love Hub that is a virtual community where you will be having monthly workshops on how to build your dating and flirting skills, be amongst a tribe of people, and doing all these things together so that you really improve your dating life and, more importantly, your sense of connection and confidence. So if you're interested, just write down below Love Hub and I will get in contact with you to see if it's a fit.